Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just felt like doing my makeup. I don't really have anything to do. Yeah, it's currently 3:24. I have absolutely nothing to do today and I just felt like putting my makeup on. So without further ado, I'm just gonna put some makeup on my face and make me look a lot more presentable. Also, I don't even know what's happening with my hair. I literally just threw it up in a clip and it's just doing whatever it wants to do today. So I'm not gonna question it because it won't do whatever I tell it to do. So for foundation, I'm of course using the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I'm gonna put it on a little bit differently today because I saw that Raw Beauty Kristi puts it on like directly on her face. Oh God, it's dripping. Oh no, okay, hold on. But she puts it on this way and it looks like so natural on her. Oh God. Oh, she keeps it in the center of her face and then like buffs it out, and she said it looks a little bit more natural that way, so I'm gonna try that today. I love this foundation. If you ever want to look super dewy and just like flawless, L'Oreal Pro Glow is the foundation for you. It's just such a good foundation and it's like $10, like you really can't beat it. I'm not gonna have any eyeshadow. I forgot the word. I'm not gonna have any eyeshadow on my eyelids, so I'm just gonna use mascara. So I am putting that foundation over my eyelid to cancel out any redness and veininess and things like that. Like, look at how freaking dewy this foundation is. I freaking love it. If you have a more oily skin texture, you probably won't like Infallible Pro Glow, but my skin is dry as the Sahara Desert, so I like to look dewy and hydrated. Now I'm gonna do something really weird. I've never done this before, but again, Raw Beauty Kristi does it and I'm obsessed with her, so I'm just gonna do whatever she tells me to do. She does not set her face with powder, like at all, and she uses L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow just like me. So I'm gonna try that today, and what she does is she goes right in with her highlighter when the skin is like still kind of like tacky. So I just got this highlighter. It is Becca Moonstone, and I'm just gonna use a brush and load this up because like I said, I want to be really dewy today. So I'm just gonna put that above my eyebrows. I'm gonna put it on my nose and then the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and a tad on my chin. This seems so backwards to me because highlighter is like always the last step in my routine, but I really like the way it looks so far, so maybe I should just keep putting on more. I can't stop myself. So I think today I'm just gonna do like my everyday natural type of makeup. My hair, I can't even with my hair today. I am gonna run a little bit of Laura Mercier translucent setting powder underneath my eyes because I notice that I'm creasing a little bit and it just doesn't look very good. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that powder on my sponge and press it underneath my eye very gently. I'm not baking, I'm just kind of pushing it in, just like that. See how much better that looks? It just looks like more airbrushed. Okay, so now let's do a little bit of contouring. So I'm gonna use my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill 02 brush. It's like a big fluffy bronzery type of brush. And I'm gonna go into Subconscious by Kat Von D. Sorry if I keep looking over here, I'm looking at my cat. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that right here. Again, very subtly because I don't want it to be super noticeable. Freaking motorcycles. And then bringing it up into my hairline a little bit just to make it look a little bit more natural. And then whatever's left on the brush, I just run it into my hairline. My hair is just getting crazier by the second. I don't even know. Okay, this is the blush that I use every single day. It is the Flower Beauty blush in Sweet Pea. I mean, how flipping pretty is that? And I kind of just push this back into the contour a tiny bit. For eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. And I never show myself doing my brows, but I thought might as well do it today because why not? So I just do the tail of my brow. So just being very light-handed with it. And I kind of take it up. I'm doing very soft, short strokes. Just fill in that portion that doesn't have any hair there. Do some short strokes. That's literally all I do. It takes me approximately 30 seconds. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. For me, this is an essential step in looking awake and fresh because my eyelashes go straight down. So as soon as I have them curled, I immediately go in with my mascara because if I wait, my eyelashes will literally fall. So I just wiggle it through. And I'm also looking down as I do this because otherwise the mascara will get all over your eyelid and it just won't be a good situation. So that is one eye with mascara. By the way, that was the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. All right, let's put some on my lower lashes. That'll make my eyes look really awake. I think I forgot to do concealer. Did I do concealer? I don't think I did. I think I skipped concealer. What is wrong with me today? So I picked this up and it is an amazing lip gloss. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh, it smells so good. So the final step is, of course, to spray my face. All right, so this is my everyday makeup. This is what I do when I'm going to school, when I'm going out running errands, when I just want to put on makeup but not be like super made up. This is what I do. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that it was, I'm really weird today. I drank way too much coffee, so I don't even know how this video is going to be. But if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos all the time. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That information will be on the end screen in just a moment. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. I am so pale. Wow. I'm just going to take a little bit, blah. Okay. What do I do now? What is, look at my cat. What is she doing? Kitty! Bella, what are you doing? Are you getting in the sink? What are you doing up there? Oh my gosh, she is nuts. Just being like very, am I even in focus? Kitty, what are you doing? I got it on my eyelid. All right, so I think that is that everything? So glossy.